हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 4 साइबर कोड इस बुक में से यूजिंग पावरपॉइंट 2016 इस लेसन के क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्लास 4 सब्जेक्ट साइबर कोड, चैप्टर 4 यूजिंग पावरपॉइंट 2016 एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन 1, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। 1. PowerPoint is an dash dash. Answer. Application program. 2. PowerPoint start screen is also known as dash dash. Answer. Backstage view. 3. You can use commands such as save, undo, redo and slideshow from. Answer. Quick access toolbar. 4. Dash dash is the first thing that appears when we add a slide. Answer. Placeholder. 5. The first step to save a presentation is to click on dash dash. Answer. File tab. Question 2. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given clues. 1. A presentation is a series of slides or pages about a topic. 2. The slides pane shows the thumbnail of each slide. 3. The text/outline pane shows a dotted outline of all the data information. 4. A placeholder is a box with dotted outline. 5. The status bar displays the number of the current slides. Question 3. Write T for true and F for false. 1. PowerPoint is used for making presentations. Answer. True. 2. We can use the backstage view to create a PDF. Answer. True. 3. We can add text/pictures/videos in a placeholder. Answer. True. 4. A new slide can also be inserted just by left-clicking in the slides pane. Answer. False. 5. We can view the slideshow of the current slide by pressing the F6 key. Answer. False. Question 4. Answer the following questions. 1. What is a presentation? Write the steps to create a new presentation. Answer. A presentation is a series of slides or pages about a topic in a particular sequence. Steps to create a new presentation. Click on the Start button. Scroll to PowerPoint 2016 and click. In Backstage view, click on Blank Presentation. Two. Define the title bar. Answer. Title bar displays the name of the open presentation. It also contains buttons for minimize, maximize/restore down, and close. 3. What is subtitle text? Answer. Subtitle text provides additional information related to the title. It appears below the main title on a slide. 4. Write the steps to add a new slide. Answer. Click on the Home tab, then New Slide in the Slides group, then select Slide type. 5. Write the steps to view the slideshow. Answer. Click on the Slideshow tab, then from Beginning in the Slideshow group or press F5 key. Question 5. Label the components of a PowerPoint 2016 window. Answer is given directly.
Great video. Mom.
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video. Share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.